Exafin Micro is a sterile 2-octyl cyanoacrylate, ideal for small trauma-induced incisions or injuries. The device contains a fast-curing 0.5 milliliters of adhesive and has a high viscosity formulation. Once applied, it provides a waterproof barrier and forms a microbial barrier while fully intact on skin. To apply, hold the tube in an upright position and turn the activation chamber in a clockwise direction until snug. Begin by depressing the X at the bottom of the tube to release air pressure. Immediately turn the tube downward and begin squeezing until adhesive begins to flow onto the patient. Create an even layer of adhesive by moving the applicator tip in a brushing motion while applying. Applied correctly, the adhesive should be fully cured within 60 seconds. Lightly touch to ensure that the adhesive is tack-free before applying an optional secondary bandage covering. The adhesive should remain on skin up to 7 days and will naturally slough off.